Today we are going to make a donut animation using Procreate. So let's go into Procreate and we're going to go and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. And here it brings up some canvas options, and today we're going to use the horizontal canvas. Okay, so in the top corner you've got your colour setting, your layer setting, your eraser, your smudge and your paintbrush, which opens up your brush library. We're using Tinderbox today, which is under the inking section. So to the side on the left we have some sliders. The bottom one controls the opacity, so how transparent your brush line is going to be, and the top one controls the width and the size. So ensure orange is selected, and we're going to start by drawing a larger circle. To smooth your circle out and perfect the shape, just hold your pen down. And now draw a smaller circle inside. Okay, and now we've got our basic donut shape. To fill that shape with colour, we just drag the orange from the dropper into the shape. So there's our base. Now we're going to tap on the layers icon and add a second layer. This is going to be our icing layer. I'm going to tap on the colour dropper and I'm going to slide the outside slider down to pink and then choose my specific tone using the inside dropper. Once I'm happy with the colour, I'm going to start drawing the icing in. Try not to lift your pen from the screen, because we would like to fill this in the same way we did before. So let's drag over that pink from the dropper into our icing outline, and it's all there, totally filled for you, saves a lot of time. So now I would like to add a little bit more depth to this donut and make it pop out a little bit. So I'm going to go back to the colour selector and select a light pink. And then I'm just going to add some lines around the edge of the icing. And it just gives a few highlights. And then I'm going to select a lighter colour, lighter orange colour for the base of the donut. And again, a bit lighter. Again, I'm going to add some lines around the edge just to add a bit of depth. Now I want to finish off the design of my donut with some sprinkles on the top, and so I'm going to go back to my paintbrush. I'm going to stay in inking, but I'm now going to use the studio pen. I'm just going to adjust the sliders at the side just to make sure it's the correct width for me. And just a bit of advice, just tap the screen with 2 fingers once to get rid of the last thing you did, so to delete the last thing you did. Okay, so I'm going to select the colour dropper, I'm going to select blue, select a paler blue from the inside, and I'm going to start drawing some horizontal and vertical dashes inside the icing. And now I'm going to select a nice mint green, so green on the outside, then a lighter green on the inside, and do the same, so some nice horizontal and vertical lines. And finally I will select a nice pale yellow to finish off my sprinkles. Excellent, so I'm very happy with the final design of my donuts. I'm going to go into my layers and merge layer 1 and 2 together by pinching layer 1 and 2 together, and now they're all on a single layer. I'm going to now start animating. To do that, I press on the spanner icon, then the canvas icon, and switch animation assist on, which will bring up a toolbar at the bottom of the screen. So select the image and press duplicate, and this will bring up an exact copy. You then go to the top of the screen and select the eraser icon, and you start rubbing out your picture. So you're going to imagine you're taking a bite out of that donut, and you're going to rub out a section of that donut that represents the bite. So you can see that there, as you do that, there's still a pale layer underneath, and we call this the onion skin of the previous layer. Now, for this type of animation, it's best we don't have that on. So we go to settings and we turn down the onion skin opacity. And now it's completely gone. So now we can see what we're rubbing out a bit better. So I'm going to rub out my first bite. And then once I've done that, I'm going to select my pen again, or my paintbrush. I'm going to select the Doughnut colour. So the orange colour that we use for the donut. And we are going to add some crumbs in. Okay, so that's the next slide completed. So now we select the second slide and press duplicate again. And that brings up an exact copy on the third slide. We select our eraser and we now erase a second bite of the donut. A tip is to make sure you rub out the crumbs that you formed earlier, because you'll be creating some new crumbs in a different part, like so. Okay, and we just continue the process. So we select the third layer that we created at the bottom, duplicate, and then we select our eraser tool, and on the fourth layer we are now erasing the next bite of that donut. And again, we carry on in this way until we have nothing left. So we keep duplicating, erasing, and continuing the process. So I'm just going to add my crumbs in. And then I'm going to duplicate again and take another bite out. Right, so I've skipped forward to the seventh layer, and we are now just again deleting a bite, adding crumbs, creating a duplicate layer, creating a bite, adding crumbs, adding a duplicate layer. Until we're down to our final piece, and as you can see, there is nothing left. So to watch your animation and see how it's turned out, you can press play at the bottom and pause to stop it. If you are not happy with the speed, you can go to settings and frames per second, and you can lower the frames per second to slow down the speed. Okay, once you're happy with the speed, you can share or save your project by going to the spanner icon, selecting share, and then I like to share it as an animated MP4, so I would select that and then press the export button in the top right hand corner, and finally save video. And that will save your project directly to your device. I hope this video has been helpful, and just have a go.